What is up, my friends, and welcome to the video. So today we're making a baked oatmeal chocolate chip protein cookie skillet. Super easy to make, delicious, macro friendly. You guys know the drill. It's what we do around these parts. But before we begin, please give the video a thumbs up. Free way to support the channel. If you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button. Giveaway at the end of the video. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is add your oat flour. I just grounded up some of my quick oats to make the oat flour. It's super easy. Then you're going to add in the rest of your dry ingredients. And in the description below, I have substitutions if you don't have certain ingredients. I have some pro tips and everything, so make sure to go check that out. So you're going to mix all the dry ingredients together to avoid clumping. Then you're going to add all your wet ingredients in there, and also have a sub if you want to use egg whites instead of a whole egg to make it even more macro friendly in the description below as well. Then you're going to add your cookie dough to the fridge for about 15 minutes just to cool. Then you're going to add your mini chocolate chips in there, mix it all together. Now you're going to spray your 6.5-inch cast iron skillet with non-stick cooking spray. Then you're going to add your cookie dough evenly in there, spread it out. Then if you're feeling crazy, add a little bit more mini chocolate chips, add it to the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. If you want it slightly more doughy, I would say about 10 to 12 minutes, but 15 is going to yield that outside a little crispy, more cake-like, the middle very much so doughy, but it's all up to you. You can play around with different cooking times. I would just say do not go over 15 minutes. Then add your ice cream on top, and then it is time to enjoy, my friends. Baked oatmeal chocolate chip protein cookie skillet, and that's a mouthful, and this is fire. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is a weird angle for my wrist. Oh man, I'm just dropping it everywhere. I'm just taking a freaking bite. I would say the texture is a hybrid between a cake and a cookie. Outside's gonna be more cake-like, middle's gonna be cookie. That's good stuff, guys. That's good stuff. Yeah, it is. Cooks on cooks on cooks. All right, my friends, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you could, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button. We're gonna be doing a massive Black Friday sale for all my recipe books and also on the flex side of things. So PCB, all my protein, all my non-stem, pre, etc. We're gonna be doing a big sale for that. So make sure to follow me on IG. That's where I'm gonna be sharing all of this information as it goes live, because it's gonna be tiered. So like Thursday of Thanksgiving is gonna be where you get the biggest discount, and then it's gonna go down over time. So just, yeah, I'll keep you guys in the loop over there. But let me know in the comments below, what would you want me to make in the future? Give me some recipe ideas. I'll make it for you guys. I'm gonna pick 3 of you guys to win a tub of cookie butter or non-stem pre of your choice. Let me know in the comments below. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.